Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change screen recording resolution in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll down to screen recording. And we need to scroll down again to the picture section of this menu. And we have few options here. We can change definition, frame rate, etc. A lot of other options. We are interested in definition. So right here we have 3 presets plus a custom option. So we can have our 1080 and 16 bitrate. We can have medium 720 and we can have low 480. And of course we have the custom option right here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you.